Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shamela and you're watching Shami's Kitchen. So today I'm going to make peri peri chicken sandwich. Light, crunchy and delicious sandwich made with chicken and peri peri sprinkler with mayonnaise. These sandwiches are liked by kids and adults alike and are really quick to make. They are a great option for a small snack when short on time. So let's see how to make this. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 2 finely chopped onion. Saute till it becomes translucent. Goes in 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for a few seconds. And now I'm going to add 1 chopped capsicum. Give this a very nice mix. To this I am adding 500 grams of boneless chicken cubes. Mix this nicely. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon peri peri sprinkler. Give this a very nice mix. And now add some water. Cook this for 5 minutes till chicken becomes tender and till water absorbs. Once done, transfer this to a bowl. And now I'm going to add 1 cup mayonnaise. Combine this chicken and mayonnaise together and set this aside. Now let's make these sandwiches. Place 1 slice of bread, top up with chicken stuffing. Place 1 more bread slice on top. Now grease butter on griller or pan. Place the sandwiches. Add some more butter on top. And now I'm going to grill it till it becomes crispy and golden brown. Once done, take them off the pan and cut them into halves. Follow the same procedure for the remaining slices. So guys, the super delicious and creamy mayonnaise sandwich is ready to serve. It's perfect for breakfast to pack in lunchbox and can even be had for an outing or light dinner. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. Follow us on our Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and reels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon so that you will get notification every time we post a new recipe. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.